Oh my gosh, who are you?
Heather.
Heather, what are you doing today?
I am gonna skydive.
You scared, nervous, excited?
All of it.
Let's go have some fun. Whose idea was this?
Mine.
So it's your fault that this goes wrong and we don't make it to your next birthday. In case we don't, any last words, final comments, or confessions?
Love everybody.
For me, it's always the same. Take the computer, tablet, phone, burn it all, bury it in the desert. The wife can have everything else. Let's go rock a skydive, have some fun out there.
Wife, so
Here
yeah,
we go.
all of it.
Woo! What do you think?
Ow! I hope it hurts like a bitch. Ow! Crazy!
Ow! Ow! That's okay. It's gonna hurt like a bitch for the rest of your life. Don't worry. I know.
Now that's a leap! Yeah! Congratulations, you guys. Thank you guys so much for jumping with us at Skydive Colorado Springs. Okay, so what did you guys think?
Thank you so much.
I was laughing almost the whole way down. I couldn't stop laughing. And he probably thought I was nuts, but he said, "You want to drive?" I just kept laughing. I went, "No, I'm good."
Well, you just proposed, so we know you're nuts.
Oh yeah. This is the best. This is the best part, was the landing and the afterwards. So,
Congratulations,
so
you guys.
Thank you so much.
We wish you all the best.
Thank you.
Happy, wonderful years you're gonna have.
Thank you.
Thanks, guys.
We'll be back.
Woo! We would love to have you back. We're always here for you.